Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Passwords and Accounts. Now click on Google under Passwords and click on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Following that, enter your current login method. And last but not least, select this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!